Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. We're going to get started on our morning work. Number one says, my friends giggle when I tickle them. So you're going to fix it up and rewrite it nice and neat on the line. And I don't think I read the directions, but they say edit and write each sentence correctly and circle the adjectives. Remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. All right, so pause your video and do number one. Number two, we live in a beautiful country. Fix it up, rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number two. Then we've got our daily math review. You know what to do there. Number six, we're going to add 16 plus 4. The strategy is we're going to decompose a number. So we're decomposing 16 into 10 plus 6 because 6 plus 4 makes a 10, right, when we add these together. And so then we end up with 10 plus 10. So go ahead and solve number 6. Pause your video and do that. Number 7, we've got Miss Walker is making a curtain. She has 7 yards of fabric. She uses some of that fabric and has 3 yards left. How many yards did Miss Walker use? So she has 7. She took away some and had 3 left. So how much did she use? That's what you're going to figure out, this missing number. Number 8, you're going to add 137 plus 162, right? What does that equal? How can we make this the same on the other side? Right? Think turnaround facts. Pause your video, do number 8. Number 9, write the correct time 2 ways. So you've got the analog time here. You're going to write the digital time like we do in the mornings. And then how many minutes after what hour, and that goes in the blank. All right, go ahead and do number 9. And we're going to go back up to the top and start checking, starting with number 1. My friends giggle when my 2 friends giggle when I tickle them. So first we need a capital at the beginning. Friends, our high frequency word, is spelled incorrectly, so I'm going to go ahead and circle that one and rewrite it F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Then I'm looking at giggle, and giggle is spelled incorrectly, right, because it's gig, G-I-G, and then we get gull, G-L-E, right, with this final syllable and then L-E. So my 2 friends giggle when I tickle them, period. So that looks good. I'm going to rewrite it nice and neat on the. All right, that's looking good. So now we got to find the adjective. So what word is describing? So in this word, or in this sentence, I should say, it's 2, right? Because 2 is telling how many friends are giggling. So we're going to circle the word 2 because that's telling us how many. Because sometimes adjectives can tell how many when they describe. Number 2, we live in a beautiful country. Let's see. Beautiful is not looking so good. Let me go ahead and circle beautiful. So beautiful is B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. Okay, we live in a beautiful country, spelled right. So I think that's it as far as mistakes on here. So I'm going to rewrite number 2 nice and. All right, number 2 looks good. And so now we're looking for an adjective. So we live in a beautiful. Beautiful is describing country, so I'm going to circle beautiful. That's the adjective. We're going to go down to the daily math review. Okay, 7 plus 4 is 11. 4 plus 6 is 10. 8 plus 4 is 12. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 5 plus 4 is 9. All right, I walked you through number 6 on how to do that, and so we worked our way all the way down to where we got 10 plus 10, which is easy. 2 10s is 20. All right, so this next one, right, Miss Walker, she's making this curtain, and it's 7 yards long, right, and then she uses some of the fabric, and she has 3 yards left. So how many yards did she use? So we can switch that around to figure out this missing number. And we can take away the 3 from the 7, and that should tell us how many yards, right? So 7 minus 3 should be easy. 7 minus 3 is 4. So that means she took away 4 yards, or that's how much fabric she used, I should say, and then there were 3 yards left. Okay. Then we've got this problem, 137 plus 162. Now you don't need to solve this. You just have to look real close. 137, 137. So it's a turnaround fact. So we've got the 137 first. Then we've got it second. Okay. So that means the other number is first now, which is 162. And they're both equal. Both these problems are equal, which is why we're able to do that, right? Because basically they're just a turnaround fact. For example, if we added 2 plus 4, we know that equals the same thing as 4 plus 2. We're just doing a turnaround fact with larger numbers. Okay, so the time here is, I'm looking, let's see, the hour hand is pointing to the 1, and the minute hand is pointing o'clock, 5, 10 to the 2, so it's 10, 110. And so it's 10 minutes, right? After, and the hour is 1. So 10 minutes after 1. All right, good luck with your other assignments.